Hi everyone, this is again, my name is Mohammed Aziz and I'm a senior software developer and a software consultant. So our today topic is to basically understand that a software programming language which can basically let you earn better and which can have a better salary in the market at the moment. And the language is basically Python. Why I'm just choosing this Python? Because there are some certain reasons. As we go, I will show you why you should go with the Python language. By keeping in mind you have a background of programming language, you know all the concepts or not, it doesn't matter, because if you don't know anything, still you can start with this one. Well, the best thing about this to learn this programming language is like you don't need any university degree. You don't need any certifications. You don't need anything. Just you have a basic understanding of the arithmetic operations, means you know how to do plus minus, and you have a capability of learning, and you have a passion of learning. Definitely, then you can learn this language. It's very easy. It's very human friendly language, and it's something that is very famous for the beginner programmers who want to start their basically how to say their career in this as a software developer. So this is the language. Python is the best for them. Python, this is the first reason I will say, it's very easy to learn. Secondly, it's highly in demand. Thirdly, it will definitely going to earn you better. And fourth, it's a quite an old language. It was first released in 1991, and now it's nearly more than 30 years is in the market. And it's the power, it gets the power that it's been used for web development, it's been used in data scientists, it's been used for machine learning, and so many other things. A lot of corporate sectors basically using this language. And also in current scenario in 2023, we can see a lot of jobs where the Python is in highly in demand. And also in the coming future, in the near future, I can say this will be the language which basically needs a lot of human resources. Okay, so let's start with our kickoff with this Python. uh, no theory, nothing else, straightforward. Let's dig into the practical way of learning Python. So first you have to go to Google and type Python. Sorry, you have to download this Python first. And if you go to python.org website, so this is the official website of Python. And here, just go to downloads and download. Right now I have the latest version 3.11.2. Just download it for Windows because I'm using Windows. And if you are on a different platform, you just start with a different one. Okay, so once you are here, just open the download section and we have like this install now. Just click on install now. It will install the Python for you. Take a couple of minutes, maybe seconds. Okay, so now the setup was successful. What you can do, you can just close it. Once we are done with installation of Python, which takes a couple of seconds, now next thing that we must have some IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment where you actually will write your program. You can use any built-in notepad, these kind of things, but let's make it more better because IDE makes your life easy. So we have the best IDE for Python is available, which is on with JetBrains. So you like click on JetBrains Python, and here open it. So we will download this PyCharm, which is the Python IDE, which most of the professional developers and even the beginners are using. So just click on download, and you can just click with the community one at the moment because it's free, right? And then it start downloading from here. Okay, the download has been completed, and I have just double click on the download file, which is an exe. So this is the window you will see. Just click on next. Sorry, there it is here. Next, next. I will not change the default settings. I will keep it like that. And next, and install. It will also take a couple of seconds to install. Okay, so our installation has been completed, and I will just run our PyCharm Community Edition for the first time. And then what you need to do, you just need to confirm and read, all the terms. Click on continue. All right, so you must be excited. This is the first welcome screen to PyCharm. So what we can do for now, we will go with the new project. And you can just set up whatever the path you want for setting up your first project. There are some environments which you have. I will definitely go with the virtual environment, and I will just click on create. All right, so this is the first program, and it automatically creates a file for us, which is main.py. Py is an extension for Python files, the programming files. It also executed as some default program for us, but I will just remove everything from here because we don't need it right now. And what I will do, I will just write my first Python program. So let's go with that. Print parentheses, double quotes, and I will say hello world. So yeah, so this is hello world I have written, and how I can see if my program is working fine or not. So by using this ID is quite straightforward. You can go on run and click on run main. Also, you can use shift plus F10 as a shortcut key. So if I click on run main, you will see on the bottom of the window, the world hello world has been printed out. So officially, you see that you have successfully created your first program in Python in a couple of minutes. And the language, the programming language, is very human friendly. You can see the name print is English. It is also telling you, if you just ask some a very small baby that what is the meanings of print, it will definitely tell you what's the meanings of print. So this makes this language very easy to learn. So I hope you like So you this one. See in couple of minutes how we actually set up our Python in our system, and we have installed the IDE and we have run our first Python program. So this is what it is all about. The things are very simple unless we make those complex. But now we are in a stage that we can say that we know Python, what Python is, and how to write the first program, and what are the things we need in terms of if you are a Windows user that you basically need to actually run the Python. Yeah, I will create a crash course of Python, and where you will just learn more than this. It will not take years or months, even not days, but couple of your minutes to actually go more ahead with the Python language. And then we will see that how the Python language helps you to create web applications and more in advance in the later days. So I hope you like this session, and thank you very much. If you have any comments, please write down and I will try my level best to answer. See you next time. Bye.